Welcome to one of the busiest and most beautiful ports in the world, Hong Kong Port. Today, I'm here to witness the amazing process of car and truck shipping. The view is just breathtaking: massive ships, colorful containers, and the ocean breeze. Hong Kong Port handles millions of vehicles and goods every year. And today, we're focusing on one of the coolest parts: vehicle export. Here you can see how carefully every vehicle is guided. Safety is top priority. Each car is checked, logged, and tracked before being loaded onto the ship. I'm now walking through the staging area where hundreds of cars are waiting for their tag. Look at this lineup: BMWs, Toyotas, even electric vehicles, ready for global delivery. Now check this out: heavy-duty trucks are also being prepped for shipping. Hope you enjoyed this tour of car and truck shipping from Hong Kong. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world shipping adventures.